100 years ago, man was taken to the skies in wooden structures covered with simple fabric. Now this may appear simple, but this piece of carbon fibre 100 years later is going to be part now of a really complex, modern, revolutionary structure. Garfield Lithgow, Operational Team Manager, Belfast. Traditional aircraft wings have metal components. We have one piece of carbon fibre in our CSeries wing. Traditionally, carbon fibre, already impregnated with resin, has been used, but we are using a revolutionary new process where the carbon fibre is dry and then injecting the resin once a component has been manufactured.
The major benefits of this technology to produce an upper and lower wing skin for the CSeries aircraft are immediately obvious, because traditionally you have the wing skin, stringers, spars, leading edge, trailing edge, flaps, all the attachments, right? Stephen Wheeler, Operations, Belfast. In this case we have an upper and lower skin, all the stringers attached, they're all one part. They're bonded together, they have resin through them. They're very pretty, they're very strong, they have an excellent strength to weight ratio. So immediately at one stroke you're doing away with a large number of parts and a large number of mechanical fixings, which are the traditional rivets, nuts and bolts. This knocks on to reduced maintenance, because there's obviously then a reduced potential for failure with all these mechanical parts, a reduced inspection regime because there's less things to look at, essentially. The surface of the wing skin that sees the airflow is smooth, with no rivet heads or any other factors that increase skin friction drag. The parts still have to be married up to a spar, which we make ourselves. It's a beautiful spar. It's one piece. But see, once you understand the strength of this composite, this finished part, it's awesome strength. So you're having a lighter wing. Aerodynamically, it's very good. It's more slippery because there's no rivet heads, there's no fixings. It's smooth. The air flows over. It's a win-win. It's lovely. And the whole thing it's simplified. It's the next level.
What makes this product so unique is that we aim to have everything right first time. Andrew Letson, Manufacturer Engineering, Belfast. Our wing is assembled in a vertical position. It allows for easier access, and we found that was the most efficient way for us to build the product. It also means that we can concentrate then on the more critical parts of the build, preparation for fastening, flight controls, and ready to move from the assembly jig into our layoff position. Because we've done such a job on the assembly, when it goes to fuel test, we have no issues with the fuel test. For me, I've been able to see the product from a digital world now into the actual product itself, into real life. The wow factor of that is it's so many components coming together from so many different places around the world, and it's fitting so perfectly.
The wing to me is quite beautiful because I know what it's involved. It's a synthesis of so many people's work, and yet when you look at it standing alone, especially prior to painting, especially the copper surface for lightning strike protection, it's an organic thing. It's more like maybe a piece of nature rather than a piece of man-made artifact. It's a sculpture. It's a work of art. It's a very beautiful thing to me.